The eyes are our windows to see the world around us, and most times we give them for granted. Are you truly taking care of them? Think about this. Every day, they're exposed to pollution, blue light, and countless toxins that can dull your vision and lead to irritation or fatigue. While most of us rely on eye drops or screensavers, these quick fixes don't address the root of the problem. But there's a natural way to detoxify your eyes, enhance clarity, and rejuvenate your vision. Today, we'll reveal simple yet powerful steps to naturally cleanse your eyes and keep them healthy for years to come. Welcome to Levitas. Your eyes work tirelessly, focusing, adjusting, and processing light to create the images you see. Over time, environmental toxins, digital eye strain, and poor nutrition can compromise your eye health. These factors can lead to dryness, redness, blurry vision, and even long-term issues like macular degeneration. Detoxifying your eyes isn't just about removing impurities, it's about restoring their natural function. When your eyes are clear of toxins, blood flow and oxygenation to the ocular tissues improve, nourishing the retina and cornea. This supports sharper vision and reduces strain. Detoxifying also helps to flush out debris and prevent inflammation, which can contribute to irritation and cloudy vision. A natural eye detox can include herbal washes, hydration, and a nutrient-rich diet filled with antioxidants. These practices reduce oxidative stress, which damages cells and accelerates aging. By giving your eyes the care they need, you can enjoy clearer vision, reduce discomfort, and a fresher, brighter look. Herbal eye washes have been used for centuries in traditional medicine to promote eye health and soothe irritation. Packed with natural anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, they cleanse and rejuvenate your eyes in a gentle and effective way. Herbs like chamomile, calendula, and eyebright are particularly beneficial. Chamomile reduces redness and irritation, calendula promotes tissue repair, and eyebright helps alleviate symptoms of eye strain and dryness. These herbs work by flushing out debris, reducing swelling and calming inflamed tissues. The benefits extend beyond cleaning. Herbal eye washes improve tear production, enhancing lubrication and preventing dryness. They can also soothe mild infections like conjunctivitis by reducing bacterial and fungal load. By promoting blood flow to the eye tissues, these washes support healing and improve overall eye health. Unlike synthetic products, herbal eye washes are free from harsh chemicals, making them safe for regular use. When incorporated into your routine, they can help you maintain cleaner, healthier eyes, reduce fatigue, and even boost your vision clarity. Creating your own herbal eye wash is simple and rewarding. Start by selecting high-quality organic herbs such as chamomile, calendula, or eyebright. Avoid herbs treated with pesticides, as they can irritate your eyes. Here's a quick recipe. 1. Boil a cup of distilled water. 2. Add a teaspoon of dried herb or a combination. 3. Let the mixture steep for 10 to 15 minutes. 4. Strain thoroughly to remove any particles, ensuring a smooth liquid. 5. Allow the solution to cool to room temperature before use. To apply, use a sterile eye cup or clean cotton pads. Fill the eye cup with the herbal solution, tilt your head back, and place the cup over your eye. Blink several times to ensure the liquid reaches all areas. Alternatively, soak a cotton pad in the solution and gently wipe your closed eyelids, starting from the inner corner outward. Repeat the process for the other eye, using a fresh solution and clean tools to prevent cross-contamination. Use the wash once or twice a week for maintenance or daily if you're experiencing irritation or strain. Your liver plays a crucial role in detoxifying your body, including your eyes. In traditional Chinese medicine, the liver is directly connected to eye health. When the liver is overloaded with toxins, it can impair its ability to filter and remove waste, leading to issues like blurry vision, dry eyes, and eye fatigue. A liver detox supports better circulation and nutrient delivery to the eyes, improving their overall function. It also reduces inflammation, a common culprit in conditions like dry eye syndrome and redness. By flushing out harmful substances, a clean liver enhances the production of antioxidants like glutathione, which protects the delicate structures of your eyes from oxidative stress. Foods like beets, leafy greens, and citrus fruits, along with herbs like milk thistle and dandelion root, are excellent for supporting liver health. Regular exercise and hydration further boost liver detoxification processes. By caring for your liver, you're indirectly nurturing your eyes, ensuring they stay healthy and vibrant. Hydration is the foundation of eye health, Your eyes rely on adequate moisture to produce tears, flush out irritants, and maintain a smooth, clear surface. Dehydration can lead to dryness, redness, and increased susceptibility to toxins. Drinking at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily ensures your eyes stay hydrated. Foods with high water content, like cucumbers and lemons, also help. For added hydration, consider using a humidifier in dry environments. Proper hydration supports tear production, reduces inflammation, and promotes a natural detox, keeping your eyes comfortable and clear. So, what are the best ways to clean your eyes naturally? Natural eye drops containing ingredients like saline, aloe vera, or herbal extracts are ideal for gentle cleansing. Saline drops mimic your natural tears, effectively washing away debris and soothing dryness. Aloe vera-based drops provide hydration and reduce inflammation, making them perfect for irritated eyes. Look for preservative-free options to avoid chemical irritants, especially if you have sensitive eyes. Popular brands often offer single-use vials, ensuring sterility. Use these drops as needed to refresh your eyes and maintain their natural cleanliness. Antioxidants are critical for eye detox as they combat oxidative stress, which damages eye tissues and accelerates aging. Nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin E, lutein, and zeaxanthin neutralize free radicals, protecting the retina and lens. Foods like spinach, kale, and lemons are rich in these antioxidants. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fish and flax seeds, also reduce inflammation and support tear production. By incorporating antioxidant-rich foods into your diet, you provide your eyes with the tools they need to repair and rejuvenate, ensuring long-term health. Are there any risks to herbal eye washes? While herbal eye washes are very safe, improper preparation or contamination can lead to infections or irritation. Always use distilled water and thoroughly strain the solution to remove debris. Test a small amount on your skin before applying to your eyes to check for allergic reactions. Avoid using eye washes if you have a serious eye condition or recent surgery without consulting your eye specialist. Use clean tools and never reuse leftover solutions to maintain sterility. By following these precautions, you can safely enjoy the benefits of herbal eye detoxes while minimizing risks. In conclusion, detoxifying and caring for your eyes naturally offers profound benefits for maintaining and enhancing your vision. By addressing environmental toxins, digital strain, and poor nutrition, an eye detox restores your eye's natural functions. This promotes sharper vision, reduces discomfort, and nourishes the delicate ocular tissues. The use of herbal eye washes, made with anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial herbs like chamomile and eyebright, gently cleanses, refreshes, and rejuvenates the eyes, improving tear production and reducing strain. Hydration plays a pivotal role in eye detox, supporting tear production and flushing out irritants, while liver health indirectly bolsters eye function by enhancing circulation and delivering essential nutrients. Antioxidants further safeguard your vision, neutralizing oxidative stress and fortifying tissues. Foods like leafy greens, citrus fruits, and omega-3 rich sources provide key nutrients to strengthen eye health naturally. For daily maintenance, natural eye drops and homemade herbal washes are excellent tools, as long as they are prepared and used properly. Though generally safe, taking precautions to prevent contamination or allergic reactions ensures optimal benefits without the risks. By integrating these practices into your routine, you empower your eyes with the nourishment and protection needed for clear, vibrant vision and lasting health. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated. It helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.